Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2012 MN Mitsubishi Triton single cab. This shape ran from the 8th month 2009 to the 4th month 2015. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This vehicle is fitted with a 4D56 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed 4-wheel drive manual transmission. We have the bonnet, appears to have no damage. Left-hand guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch steel wheels. Right rear has a good tyre. We have the right-hand front door, right-hand power door mirror, right-hand front guard appears to have no damage. Factory 16-inch steel wheel, right front has a good tyre. Right-hand headlight, right-hand power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. Has a tidy centre console lid, tidy manual transmission centre console, handbrake lever, factory AC controls, factory single stack CD player, tidy interior mirror, tidy left hand sun visor, tidy right hand sun visor, manual transmission instrument cluster. We have the driver's power window master switch. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.